guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video for you guys. So as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, we are going to be working on the truck again today, and today we have another package from our favorite light people over at Lasfit LED. So huge thank you to them. They sent these LEDs over. They're trying to get me to convert my truck over, but it's all good because the product is great. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so today we actually have two different sets. We have 3157 for the should be for the reverse, and then we also have another set of H11 bulbs for our low beam headlights. By the way guys, if you didn't know already, you guys can save yourself 10% off at checkout on Lasfit LEDs. Only thing you have to do is enter my name, Trent53, at checkout, and the code will give you guys 10% off. Now back to the regular. So like I said, we have 3157 reverse LEDs, even though they are orange, so hopefully I hit the right button. And then we do have a set of H11 headlight bulbs for the low beams. This is going to be interesting because, as you guys know, I currently have some bulbs from Amazon. I buy probably once every 2 years, so interested to see how these compare to those. But I figured we start with these first and make our way up to these. So let's get to it. We have our weapon of destruction, kind of overkill, but beats the screwdriver. If you don't know, there's two screws, 1 and 2, and the whole headlight to come out, and for Sierra, reverse is in there. This is my current one. That is from the hookup. Let's just say that. Here is what we're going to be installing. Kind of interested in how these work because I never really see them in this form. So I'd say they work. Obviously, you guys just saw that this side right here, that side still has the original one that I had. So let's get a little comparison going. So I'm gonna show you this one first. Of course, kind of hard to see on camera, but you can see it's reflecting a lot on the tailgate, on my hand. There's the somewhat of a radius on camera. Not bad. And that one, still not bad either. What I will say is that these over here are more white. These right here kind of have like a blue tint to them, and I'm explaining this because you guys can't really tell on the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap this one over, and then we're gonna move on to the headlights. Okay guys, so these are my old ones. You can tell, not the best ones that you've seen, but they were working for me. But let's look at these H11s. Instructions. Another 15 horsepower right there. Set that over here. Then we have our H11s. So pretty much looks about similar to the fog lights that we have, minus the, you know, the extra ballast and everything. But let's go ahead and get these installed. For this side, honestly, only thing you have to do is just reach in between here to get that side. This side, I will be lifting this cover and I'll go through the intake. So I'm gonna use that open duct to get to this headlight. So I'll go ahead and change out this driver's side one first. Just like that, it is out. So I'm going to install our new one here. If you don't know, for wiring, your brighter wire is usually your power. So as you can see, yellow is the brighter color of the two. So yellow is the power wire and this gray wire is your ground. And LEDs are one way. So as you can see, we have a positive symbol and a negative symbol. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect these respectively. Just like that. Give it a little light test before I insert. Yep, they work. They work just fine. I don't know if you can hear that, but the fan definitely strong on these. Don't have any doubt that these are not going to be burning up. All right, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to try and see if I can catch this on camera, which probably like reverse, probably not going to be able to tell, but I'm going to tell and pretty much explain to you guys if there's a difference. So Lasfit Beam Tech from Amazon. So what I'm seeing now, pretty much kind of the same effect of the reverse. So this is more of a crispy, if that makes sense, for a light, and this one is kind of like it's an LED bulb. I mean, I hate to talk down on them because these lights do work excellent, but as far as comparison, that's my best way of comparing it. These are more like crispy and pretty much more defined for an LED. These are, you know, they're LED, so they're brighter, but other than that, they're just brighter. So let's see if we could tell a difference in brightness as well. Yeah, you can actually kind of see it on camera. You can see this beam over here is from Lasfit. This is the Amazon one, so quite impressive. Quite impressive. I actually wasn't expecting that, so that's crazy. So let me hurry up and swap this one over. All right, guys, so as you can see, I have both of the Amazon Beam Tech lights here. I mean, you can tell, I mean, the quality isn't that bad, to be honest. It isn't really bad at all if you're just looking at it, but as you guys saw, in comparison, the Lasfit LED was way brighter than these, and I believe they were like the same lumen rating. Headlights are in, reverse lights are in. One thing left is to show you how bright these things are. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, so we are indeed in the same spot as the fog light video, and try to get as close to the original spot as possible that I have the truck parked in. I do believe I'm maybe even a few feet back, so a little bit further distance, but those are the same bushes that you guys saw last time, and it is indeed dark again. Obviously right now we have no lights on the truck, so let's go ahead and see how bright these things are. So like I said, same bushes, and let's see what they look like once we light them up. So this is low beams only. You can tell on camera I have a wide range even past the bushes. Obviously I'm parked directly in front of the bushes, so that's my focus, but I also am able to see more from side to side. And yeah, these things are bright, guys. So what I did find out is, so these lights that we have in here right now are advertised at 6,000 lumens, and the Amazon ones that I took out were actually advertised at 8,000 lumens. And you guys saw the difference whenever I had the Amazon one in and the Lasfit bulb in on the other side. The Lasfit was just obviously brighter, so had a little false advertisement going on, but it is what it is. We upgraded. But yeah, guys, so that's what these bulbs look like. Let's see, get the other view for you guys. So yeah, that is a wide range view. Let me go in the center of the truck. So basically, that's my light view at nighttime. So obviously, you guys know we got to do the windshield check. Okay, so for the people that do not know, I have a 50% tint film on my windshield all the way down, so darker than obviously a non-tinted one. Obviously you can see the silhouettes of the bushes right now, and let's go ahead and turn on the lights. So that's what the low beams look like through the tinted windshield. As you can see, I still have great visibility. And just because we're in here, I'll show you guys once again with the fog lights. So I'm gonna have to actually turn the key on. And that's just fog lights. So you double that with our headlights, and yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get flashed. Haven't really drove this thing at night yet. I mean, I did, but it wasn't that far. So pretty sure people are gonna flash me for sure now. I did before, but it is what it is. You know, everybody gonna hate just because they ain't got what we got. But other than that, guys, let me know what you guys think. Do you believe these are worth putting into your vehicle? If so, go ahead and head on over to lasfit.com. Use code Trent53 for that 10% off, and go ahead and light up the sky. You know, not being able to see is not fun, and obviously we have solved that problem with these on top of the fog lights. But yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.